Oh yeah, chili's cooking. Hello, Chef here, once again working with leeks. Leeks, as you know, can contain sand, so be very careful. It's good to know where your food comes from. These were sourced from a local farmer that we know in Michigan, and yeah, really nice. So there's the sand right there. There's a lot of sand in there. Real simple to remove the sand. I'll be using half of this leek for a recipe here. Okay. Yeah, and you're good to go. Alright, so this is going to be a real quick julienne of leek. Line it up. Pays to have a sharp knife, as you can see. That's a really nice cut right there. Exactly what I'm looking for. Yeah, be right back with the recipe. Okay, I got a very hot cast iron pan here. Putting a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. Leeks go in. Exactly what I'm looking for right there. Little caramelization in the leeks, touch of black pepper, a little bit of sea salt. Okay, just plating up this chili. I got a very large bowl. I've got a slice of provolone cheese I'm putting in the bottom. We're going to put some of these caramelized leeks around the perimeter, like a garnish. Also, it adds a little layer of texture. Very different texture than the rest of the chili here. I like spicy, so a touch more of this smoked chipotle powder. As well as a little bit of Hatch chili, and just a couple of toasted sesame seeds. Yeah, little contrast, little crunch there. Alright, thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, support the sponsor. Check it out. Get your chili cooking today. Yeah, more great recipes. Please hit that little like button. That helps the channel. Have a great day.